I recently acquired my new project. It's gonna be my summer fall project. No more, no less than a Chevy Suburban 2002. Man, and this thing is beautiful. Look at this. It actually drives, runs, has some issues, but I can take care of those. The rims are not bad. It needs new tires. Definitely some paint job on the hood. But look at this beautiful truck. It has the metallic grille, really nice. Metal emblem, aluminum, really nice. Paint. Yeah, I will fix all these paint issues. I really like the fact that you can open the rear window. As well as the rear gate, which I don't know what model. I think 2021 was the last one with 2-door. I like this one more, but this thing is filthy. I mean, filthy. Cubby for stuff. 12-volt outlets. More space for storage. All leather seats, beautiful. I'm gonna have to take care of all these leather. This is pretty dry. Check this out. Plenty of storage, cup holder, storage. Leather seats in the back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean these. Treat the leather. Carpet protector for the carpet, so probably I'm gonna get some weather guard protectors instead of this one, the one that goes all the way door to door. This is early 2000. I already have like tape controller, 2 headphone outlet, 2 cup holders, 12 volts, and the previous owner installed one of these early 2000 screens with a DVD player. There you go. This was top of the line in the 2090s. I was only for the uber wealthy. Look at this. Yeah, this is gonna go. Air conditioning outlets everywhere. There, even for the people in the third road, right there. Also, something that I'm going to do in another video is I'm going to change all the bulbs with LEDs. This is too yellow, and I'm going to install much brighter LEDs. Oh, I just find out that there is also, how do you call this thing? Arm holder. Look, with this hook for when you're bringing your shirts from the cleaners. No rust. Yeah, this is really nice. Now let's go to the front. Here there is a lot more damage, which is totally normal. So in this case I'm going to get new leather cover and the foam for the bucket for both driver and passenger. This one came with a WeatherTech already in the front, which needs a lot of cleaning. Electric windows, heater for the seat, and back then that was luxury. This one comes with 4x4, which for me is a must-have in all my vehicles. Look at this thing, it is so 90s, early 2000. This radio is an upgrade from the original one, which this one is going to go away. I'm probably going to install the original one, adding Bluetooth capabilities, or maybe just like a double DIN CarPlay. Something pretty cool, it has a tape player. Look at these. Plenty, 12 volts. an ashtray, because back then it was back then. Here there is storage, pretty filthy. Pretty decent armrest, although it already comes with this captain chair style armrest. I think they figured out that this was pretty useless. Just making this one a little bit bigger, like the trucks nowadays, is enough. Lockable center console, coin dispenser, very important. Glove box is peeling, so I'm gonna have to look for the I don't know if this is paint or is no, this is coming off, so I may have to get a new one or just get the same paint that matches. There is an antenna here. I mean, the antenna is missing, but you can see the support from the antenna with a hole through the glass. That most likely it was to see TV, like normal cable channel or normal TV on the screen right there. Back then it came fully loaded already with electric seats, lumbar thingy. I really like this big ass handle to get in and out of the truck. And here in the mirror, temperature display and the compass. So now everything in the car works pretty well for the most part, but let me show you. The engine has some issues. Not big deal. So the engine comes with a K&N cold air intake that I'm going to remove, and I'm going to put the OEM air box with a K&N filter, but not this one, but the square one. I need to get the Vortex plastic cover that goes here. And the engine overall is pretty good. Not major leaks or anything like that. Looks actually pretty good. The only thing is that it has a small ticking noise from the lifters, so I will have to take care of that. So I'm going to start doing a series of videos about how I fix the engine, the interior, pretty much bringing this truck back to its former glory, so I can use it for many more years to come. And then under the frame, it looks super good, no rust whatsoever. It is super clean. I mean, for having been a vehicle in the state of Oregon, for what I read, they are not using salt at all. But look at this cross member. It's no salt whatsoever, no rust. It's perfect. Yeah, there is a little bit of oil seeping here and there, but nothing major. Just years of gunk that I will clean up eventually. Same here. The transmission oil pan actually came with a skid plate. Pretty beefy though. I'm still amazed that there is no rust whatsoever. I have more rust in my truck, which has been always in Texas, than this one. I think somebody was doing some muffler job here. But anyway, this one is gonna go away, and I'm gonna get a MagnaFlow cut back. Rear differential, incredibly clean. At some point I'm gonna change suspension, brake rotors, brake pads. It even came with a hitch. Well, I'm gonna keep a little bit longer down here contemplating this beauty. Thank you for watching.